If Google Chrome keeps showing download failed or files stop midway and won't complete, yeah, that's a common Chrome issue on PC. It can be caused by security settings, network problems, or corrupted data. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix the download failed error in Google Chrome step by step in 2026. Let's get into it. First, click Retry on the download. If it fails again, check your internet connection. Unstable Wi-Fi is one of the most common reasons downloads fail, you know. Now fully close Chrome. Open Task Manager and make sure all Chrome processes are closed. Then reopen Chrome and try the download again. Antivirus or firewall software can block downloads by mistake. Temporarily disable it and test the download again. If it works, add Chrome to the allow list instead of leaving protection off. Corrupted cache files can stop downloads from completing. Clear browsing data, but leave saved passwords checked unless you're sure. Go to Chrome security settings and make sure safe browsing is set to standard protection. Over strict security can block safe files from downloading. Open an incognito window and try downloading the file again. If it works here, an extension is likely causing the download failure. If downloads still fail, reset Chrome settings. This removes broken configurations without deleting bookmarks or passwords, and that's it. One of these steps should fix the Google Chrome download failed error on your PC. If this helped, save it, and yeah, check out the other Chrome fix guides on the channel. See you next time.